SEO 101 Search Engine Optimization in 2020. Hi, this is Etienne from rugershot.com, and today I want to talk about something I'm really passionate about, and that is search engine optimization. So, SEO 101, what do you need to know to rank your site on Google and other search engines? Firstly, so you have your own website and you're looking into SEO but do not know where to start. Well, this very quick tutorial will show you the most important parts of SEO and hopefully help you understand what it is and how to rank better and higher on search engines to get the targeted traffic, leads and sales you want and deserve. If that's something you're interested in, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any thoughts or suggestions on the subject, and who knows, maybe next time I'll make a video about your comments. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, number one, you have your own website. What now? First thing you want to do and look at are your meta tags. We're not going to focus on keyword tags at all. Ignore keyword tags. So we're going to focus on title tags and description tags. Now, what are those? Your title tag is the first part a user will see when searching for something in the search engines. So when results pop up, you'll see right at the top of any search result, there's the little link. That is your title tag. The part right under that link is called the description tag. So your title tag you want to keep as short as possible. I'd say roughly 5 words. It can be a bit longer, doesn't really matter, but you want to put the most important keywords or phrases in that very first part. Now for your description tag, also include your important keywords and phrases. Keep the description tag to 160 characters. It can be longer, but make sure the clickbait is within the first 160 characters. Put something in there that will make users want to click when they see your search result pop up on Google. Secondly, your images. Make sure you know the difference between PNG and JPEG images. It makes a huge difference in your website's loading speed, and if you know anything about SEO, loading speed is a big ranking factor these days. Also, with regards to your images, always write alt tags for them. That's ALT tags. Now, what these tags do is tell search engine spiders what the image is actually about. Now, as you know, Google crawlers, or spiders as they're also called, can't actually see images. So an alt tag will tell them more or less what the image is about, helping those images rank on Google's image results. Other search engines also have that. Even if you have like an anonymous search engine like DuckDuckGo or something similar, Bing, Yahoo, they all have separate image searches. So you definitely don't want to miss out on potentially a lot of extra traffic by not utilizing alt tags to your advantage. Thirdly, the actual content. When it comes to writing articles or blog posts, how do you optimize them for Google? Now, I've been writing articles for many years for a bunch of different companies, specifically with SEO optimization in mind. So I do know what I'm talking about. I know what works. I've tested thousands of articles. So here are my top tips for SEO in content writing. The first one, make sure your keyword or key phrase, the main thing you want to rank for, is mentioned within your header tags, especially the first header, your H1 tag, as well as in your first sentence of your article. You want to mention your keyword or phrase within the first sentence. It's very important. Also, mention an alternative keyword or phrase. Can be the same thing, just said slightly different, but something someone will be searching for in your last sentence of the article. So do not keyword stuff your article with a whole bunch of different keywords or phrases. Don't mention your keyword or phrase 50 times throughout your article. If you only mention it 3-4 times, that's perfect. But the most important places to mention the phrases you want to rank for is your very first opening sentence and the very last sentence. This has been tested by myself and other experts for many years. These simple content strategies have helped us rank thousands of articles on Google. Now, if this was of any help to you, please hit like and subscribe. That would sure help me a lot. It's a new channel. We're just starting. We're going to be releasing great content in the near future with regards to search engine optimization, internet marketing, and all kinds of make money online ideas, methods, and strategies that we've personally used and that has made us a lot of money over the years. Okay, so I want to throw in one last very important SEO tip for 2020. Apart from loading speed, these two tips that I'm going to share with you now are the most important parts of SEO, and those are rich and featured snippets. You definitely want to look into setting up featured snippets on your website. Now, what are featured or rich snippets? Have you ever searched for something on Google, asked a question, and then there pops up 10 answers right at the top? These are the featured snippets, and you can have your site ranked there too if your site or article answers a specific question. Now, how do you go about ranking on one of those results, also called position 0? Well, snippets. That's what it is. You definitely want to look into that. We're not going to discuss that in great detail, but it is a very important part of SEO in 2020. Last but not least, you also want to add questions to your articles. Write the actual question down, like, how do I get from point A to point B? Now, I know that's a silly example, but writing the actual question that you think people will search for, together with the answer right below it, will help you rank within those featured snippets. If your snippet includes that question and answers it in a very short, proper, and precise way, the chances that you'll rank for that term without any effort whatsoever is really good. Of course, there's a lot of competition, there's a lot more to it, but mastering that is the best thing you can do for SEO in 2020. So I hope this SEO 101 helped you a bit with regards to the basics of SEO. I'm going to leave a link for our on-page SEO guide below. It's completely free. It will get sent right to your email inbox, and you can download it today to learn SEO in great detail, where we share some great on-page strategies that have helped us as well as many of my clients over the years rank their sites on Google. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this to be useful in any way. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Cheers.